Your mom looks like a dog.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
Will you be my Valentine?
What? I love you.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're in bed. Where's the teeth? Ah.
Angel, I was thinking about going for a walk.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Say hello. Good girl.
Lucy, come on out. Don't hit the table.
You look like a potato.
Blink if you want some of the popcorn I was eating. Oh.
Carrots. Chicken. Get out. Get out.
I love you. I love you.